Hello, I'm Aida, and today we're going to learn how to do this dramatic transition in Alight motion. The main effect. Bring in your character. From the effects, go to the Move Transform category. Pick the Raster Transform effect and choose the Ghost Pop preset. Yes, this preset has this effect already made. Yay! What you can do is long press on a keyframe and drag it left or right to adjust its timing and duration. If you scroll down the effect settings, you'll find the alpha also animated. You can adjust the keyframes for this too. One of the most important adjustments is the animation easing for the scale animation. Tap on the animation easing and customize the graph to change the animation's feel. For example, this graph makes it fast. Now let's add that little shake we can see at the start of this clip. Add the random jitter effect from the Move Transform category. Select the magnitude setting, add a keyframe at the start, and lower it to 1 as the clip progresses. The shaking is a little unsteady right now. I'll fix that by using a very fast graph. You can adjust it to your liking. That's it. You can add more motion or shake effects to enhance the transition.